Okay, everyone. Hello, YouTube. This is Jennifer with Jennifer Walks with Them. Just giving you a little bit of a sneak peek what's going in the backyard Winter Wonderland. Excuse my messy house. We have been doing all kinds of different DIYs. Just painted my front door, front and back, because my husband's getting ready to put one of those slag locks on. And I thought I'd just match our stair rails with our front door paint. The lighting isn't good right now because it's starting to go dark, and then our outside purple light's on. We have to change this to fall. Right now it's still on Halloween colors. Okay, so this is our stairs. We did these a while ago, my husband and I, and I love the color. It's the carbon. It's called carbon. And we had bought the wood steps from Home Depot, and then I just stained and sand them the carbon color, and he installed them. And the railing as well. Like I said, our house is a little bit messy right now, so going back to the Winter Wonderland theme for the backyard. This is what we got today from Home Depot, the male and female deer. So let's go ahead and walk you through, excuse the dog pad, the backyard. We also bought this home decorators collection table wall fireplace, and so that's what we're going to do. He's going to be installing this on the backyard wall patio area. He's just assembling it now. Everything's a mess right now. Please excuse the mess, but it's going to look really nice when we're done. I forgot to share the last time these curtains, they're a DIY. Well, the curtains are actually from Target. They're the outdoor cabana curtains. They were on sale at a reasonable price when I got them. They're really nice. They're weather resistant. I highly recommend these. These have been super wonderful. I think I paid, I want to say 2 for $40 a couple years ago. They've been up here a couple years and they're still in really nice condition. The way we hung them was using PVC and I don't know if you could say it. And we put the dollar store broom handles inside of it to give more support on some of them. We also painted the PVC your hammered silver paint, made it look really nice. We get a lot of compliments. People don't realize it until we tell them it's just PVC. They were very simple to hang, and we love them. So I got these tie backs off Amazon. I don't remember where, but I'm not really happy with them. They seem to, fall apart. The string unravels. I mean, I'm going to go ahead and take them back off and try to hot glue the string, or maybe not hot glue because that doesn't hold up here at all in the outside weather when it starts getting hot. So I'll probably use some Gorilla Glue or something on these and wrap them and glue them back on. But that's how it's going to be for now. So, I mean, other than that, they're great. They're magnetic. It's just they fall apart like that. So, yeah, this is where we're at on stage 2 of our backyard makeover for Winter Wonderland. We're getting ready and very excited. So please come back. Stay tuned in for part 3. And you guys have a wonderful evening and God bless.